Welcome to the Legacy Women Network, a sanctuary for the woman who's done hustling from burnout, hiding her brilliance, or trying to do it all alone. I'm Jess, holistic therapist, business mentor, and founder of this sacred and soulful community. This is your space to show up fully, slow down with intention, and build a business and life that actually feels good, not just looks good on paper. Expect real talk, bold moves, and heart-led strategy from soul-led women creating positive change in the world. If you're ready to rise into your legacy without burning out or doing it all alone, you're exactly where you need to be. Let's dive in. Creating your legacy shouldn't come at the cost of your well-being, yet so many women in business end up running on fumes or burning out. You know the importance of slowing down and self-care, but you keep skipping meals, leaving off coffee. You're pushing through exhaustion with caffeine and sheer willpower. On the outside, you look like you've got it all together. You're the steady one everyone can lean on, but inside, your nervous system is screaming for rest. I know this intimately because I've been there. It was me. Years ago, I was the one over-functioning, people-pleasing, saying yes when I wanted to say no, and ignoring my body's signals. I thought burnout was just a part of success, but what I didn't know at the time is that burnout isn't about how much you're doing. It's actually about the patterns driving why you're doing it. Underneath the pattern of burnout is hidden beliefs and nervous system patterns that you may not even be aware of. Beliefs like, if I slow down, I won't be enough. I'm not worthy of love unless I'm achieving. I'm not worthy of love unless I'm performing. Other people's needs come before my own. If I set boundaries, I'll lose love or approval, or I'll be rejected. These beliefs were often formed way back in childhood, usually between the ages of 0 to 7, when receiving love and safety were essential for your survival. And now as adults running businesses, these same patterns are running the show. Your nervous system gets wired to keep you safe, which may look like overgiving, overworking, or pushing through exhaustion, because deep down it feels safer to sacrifice yourself than to risk disappointing anyone. And here's the kicker. This kind of burnout doesn't just affect you. It ripples into everything, your relationships, your health, your creativity, your joy, your business and its sustainability. You might find yourself snapping with your kids or partner, lying awake with your mind racing, unable to switch off, or feeling like no matter how much you do, it is never enough. Here's the truth I want you to take away. Burnout is not a badge of honor. And it isn't inevitable. It's a sign of your system crying out for a new way of being. When you learn the nervous system regulation tools and you do the deeper work of reprogramming those beliefs that are driving the pattern of burnout and all the symptoms that lead you to burnout, like the overgiving, overworking, overpleasing, self-sacrificing, everything changes. You step into the identity of the woman who is worthy of love, deserving of love, without having to do anything or be anything. She's just worthy as she is. She's also worthy of rest. She's worthy of receiving. She's worthy of putting herself first, because she knows that when she does that, everyone benefits, including her business. And when you do this work, you recognize the old patterns for what they are. Protection, not sabotage. Not who you are, and you create enough safety in your body to find balance, to pause, to rest, to receive support, to trust that slowing down won't mean everything falling apart and losing it all. And when that happens, you stop serving from a place of depletion and you start serving from overflow. You start showing up as the wealthy woman, not just financially, but wealthy as in being able to tap into your joy, your creativity, your feminine energy, to slow down, to receive support, to take good care of yourself. And through that, your creativity comes back, your clarity comes back. You can start enjoying your life and business again that you've worked so hard to build, or you're working so hard to build. To create freedom, right? All of this is to create freedom. And yet so many of us are living in our own self-imposed cage, driven by our beliefs. So I want to leave you with a reflection today. Where are you giving from obligation, fear, or guilt instead of from genuine overflow? Or where are you taking action from a place of obligation, fear, or guilt? Just noticing it and seeing it without judgment is the first step to shifting it. Bringing in curiosity and self-compassion for that part of you who doesn't feel safe to slow down, who feels like she has to perform or feels like she has to sacrifice herself. And if you're ready to start making the shift into that wealthy woman who shows up from the place of overflow, who taps into her joy and her creativity, and who loves life and business again, I've created something special for you. It's a free guided practice called Regulate and Rise meditation. It's designed to give your nervous system a reset and bring you back into a place of regulation so that you can slow down, so that you can protect your energy, so you can lead with clarity and you can serve from overflow again. Just DM me the word RISE on Instagram and I'll send it straight over to you. If this episode lit up something in you, I'd love it if you'd hit subscribe, share it with a sister, or leave a quick review. It helps more women find this space and rise alongside us. You can connect with me over on Instagram at @byjessicak, or learn more about the Legacy Women Network membership through the link in the show notes. See you next time.